Poco M7 5G is scheduled to launch in India on March 3rd. Poco has already hinted that the Poco M7 5G will have 10,000 pricing. It will come in shades like satin black, mint green, and ocean blue. The Poco M7 5G is equipped with a massive 6.88-inch IPS LCD panel that offers an HD Plus resolution, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and 600 nits of brightness. The Poco M7 5G will be powered by the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset and 6GB of RAM. It will arrive with 6GB of virtual RAM, 128GB of built-in storage. The Poco M7 5G feature a 50-megapixel Sony IMX852 primary camera, an 8-megapixel front-facing camera. Poco will pack a 5,160 mAh battery. It will support 18W wired charging. It is claimed to offer an IP52 rating for dust and splash resistance. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.